Nike Air Max DN8 Aqua 2025 colorway. A dusty cactus textile leopard and vivid Persian violet accents make the Air Max DN8 stand out. These colors add a distinctive design element as they flow through overlays that resemble palm trees. While black accents provide striking contrast and balance the vibrant colors, a gradient effect on the top provides depth. Nike's dynamic air cushioning system puts comfort front and center. This technology provides a smooth ride all day long and great support. The sneaker's AirPods are emphasized by the black midsole, which guarantees responsive cushioning with every stride. The shoe has a unified appearance thanks to a semi-translucent purple outsole that completes the design and connects to the aqua motif. The Nike Air Max DN8 Aqua will go on sale on April 1, 2025. Retailing at $190 US, the release is available in men's sizes.